You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn your Android phone display to black and white or grayscale. Open the Settings app and tap on Accessibility. If you don't see it, look in Additional Settings. In the Accessibility menu, scroll to find Vision Enhancements or Display. Tap on Color Correction on some Samsung phones. Look for Visibility Enhancements, then Color Adjustment. Toggle the switch for Use Color Correction to the on position. Below, you will see a list of correction modes. Tap on Grayscale. Your screen will immediately switch to black and white. On some devices, you may need to tap on Color Filter and select Grayscale. You can adjust the intensity with a slider if available. For a quick toggle, you can set up an accessibility shortcut. Go back to the main accessibility settings and tap Accessibility Shortcut. Select Color Correction or Grayscale mode. Now, by pressing both volume keys together for a few seconds, you can turn grayscale on and off. This feature can help reduce eye strain, save battery on OLED screens, or assist with certain visual impairments. To revert to full color, either use the shortcut or go back to the color correction settings and toggle it off or select off. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.